What's happening? What's going on, guys? So we are out camping right now. We're just outside of Boyne City in Michigan, towards the bridge. We just set up our tent last night. We had a little fire. She's over at the car getting ready for the day. I'm pretty much ready. We're just taking a little mini vacation, getting some photos, videos, just enjoying our time out here. And yeah, so we don't really have a lot of plans for today, so we're gonna see what the day holds and bring you guys with. So here we go. Alright guys, so we are, well, it's the next day. We are now down by the bridge, or up by the bridge, Mackinac Bridge, getting some photos, videos. I got the drone strapped to the backpack, got the big lens, and we're just getting some photos, videos, walking around, seeing what the day's gonna hold for us. So, here we go. Alright guys, so just taking a quick break from editing this video that you're watching, and I pretty much don't have footage. There's like a gap in footage, I guess, from this next part, because shortly after that last clip you saw of Lauren getting those beautiful shots of me shooting, flying the drone, she was kind of just hanging out, and then a couple came up and asked her to take some photos of them with the bridge in the background and all that stuff. Then while she was getting set to take the photos, one of them asked her to take a video instead, because she was proposing to her girlfriend. And mind you, I'm flying the drone this whole time. I see them stepping, off towards the water. I figured they asked Lauren to take some photos. Cool. I'm actually in the process of landing the drone at this point, and Lauren is, freaking out, as she would say, inside without trying to ruin the video, because it's something that she's, like she said, she's wanted to do, like be that person to be asked to take pictures and everything for a proposal. I got some drone footage, and you guys can see that, like, you see Lauren and I, and you see the couple, they're like hugging, I believe, in the drone shot. We don't have any other footage. So this drone footage, pretty much, like, if anyone knows who this might be, we didn't get names, we didn't get anything. They were just kind of like, Lauren, they checked out the footage. Lauren, was super pumped about it. And they just kind of, had their moment and went on their way. enjoying the rest of their day. And so if like anyone who sees this might know who these people are, they got engaged up, you know, with the Mackinac Bridge in the background. Lauren took the video, and I'll put the exact date on the screen now. And if they want this drone footage, like, they can have it. I know it's not the absolute best because I was in the landing sequence of like the drone, and then I like canceled it to like get these couple shots. So, but yeah, that was a pretty awesome moment. And I just kind of wanted to share it with you guys. I talk about it a little bit more towards the end of this video. Like, I have footage I filmed talking about it, and I wanted to make sure I got this in. So yeah, super cool moment. I know Lauren was super excited for it, and that it happened. And yeah, so we're gonna get back to the video now. What's going on, guys? So it is Sunday morning now. We are driving about 2.5 hours to Traverse City to meet up with one of Lauren's friends, get some photos out there, and then from there, we're spending the day there, and then from there we're heading home. So last day of our little mini vacation. We did not film a lot yesterday because we just went out to the Mackinac Bridge, got some videos and photos. Lauren had that surprise, helping that person surprise their proposal. That was really awesome. Hopefully we can find them and I can get them that drone footage that I have, because that would be awesome. But other than that, we were packing up the car, getting ready to go, stopping by her grandparents, then hitting Traverse City, and then going home. So here's for the last day of our trip. Alright guys, so we just got to Traverse City. It just got really dark. We were looking for a sunflower field. We were going to go to one in the UP. We decided it was too far of a drive with the drive home. Well, it rained originally, and then we determined it was too far with our drive back to Grand Rapids. So now we're in Traverse City. We found like a little scenic, what would you call it? It's like a park, kind of, that wasn't showing up originally for us. So now we're walking down this trail, and we're gonna see what we can find. There's like scenic views and other things, and apparently there's a sunflower field somewhere in here. So got the camera, got the lenses in the backpack. The only thing I didn't grab was the drone. Should I go back for the drone? I feel like if we see it, I can fly the drone from the parking area and get to it. Yeah. That's fine. We'll do that if I really want to. And I got the gimbal and everything. I just can't believe I forgot the drone. So yeah, walking. Gonna get some B-roll now. Here we go.